I am primarily going to be sticking with the green to cover up any red, old acne scars or anything like that. And then I'm actually going to be using these 3 shades right here as well. I'm going to be mixing them and using them under my eyes to conceal my dark circles. The great thing about this palette is it actually has a mirror as well, so you can use it on the go. Now what I want to do is I want to color correct only these 2 areas right here that are really, really dark, and they kind of make me look extremely tired. So I'm going to place the color directly in those areas. So I am using the dark peach, and that is going to neutralize the dark circles. Now what you will notice is the product is actually really, really lightweight. It's creamy and it's very, very lightweight, and a little goes a long way, so you don't need to put on tons and tons of product. Just literally use the tiniest bit and apply it only where you need to do it. I'm always red around my nostrils for some reason, so that's definitely an area I want to hit with this product. Now this line was actually created in consultation with lots of SFX makeup artists. They actually know what makeup is supposed to be used for and how, and this brand actually brought that concept together and packaged it up nicely for the everyday consumer. So you have access to products that are cinema grade, film grade, you know, makeup artist pro grade, and you're able to purchase them and use them on yourself. That's literally flawless. That's not.